Hi, and welcome to Anne's Family Recipe. Today I'm making a simple but unique crab dip. Today's video is in collaboration with Cheyenne from the channel American Turka.
If you're looking to spice up your recipe collection, American Turka Kitchen is your channel. Here you will find recipes for both American and Indian dishes. This is one of those channels I wish I could smell through the screen. Everything looks so flavorful. Today, we're both sharing an appetizer you can use for holiday entertaining. After you watch my video, be sure to visit Cheyenne's channel, which I'll link in the description box below.
My mom first tried this recipe for crab dip back in 1975 when my dad's cousin Cass brought it to Thanksgiving dinner. So my mom has been making this for Thanksgiving every year since, and it is so incredible. This dip is incredibly easy to make, but you have to start it the day ahead of time. So I'm having a Christmas party tomorrow. I'm gonna make the base for the dip tonight. I have 1.5 bricks of cream cheese, so it's 12 ounces that I've brought to room temperature. That's in this bowl here. And then to that, I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce and 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, and we'll just mix that all together, and that's gonna be our base layer. Now, optional ingredients, which I don't typically include, are a 1/4 cup of grated onion and a little pinch of garlic powder, if those are flavors you like. But I get terrible onion breath. My husband can attest to that. So anytime we're entertaining, I'm not going to willfully put raw onions into what I'm making. But if it's something you want to add that you enjoy, go for it. I just switched over from my rubber spatula to a wooden spoon and then to a metal spoon because that worked the best for me, just to really mush it all together. I transferred the mixture from my bowl into this pretty glass pie dish, and I'm just spreading it out into a thin layer on the bottom. I'm gonna cover this cream cheese mixture with plastic wrap and pop it in my fridge overnight so that all the flavors marry together. And about an hour or 2 before the party, I'm gonna take this out of the fridge so that it starts to soften a little bit, so it's a little bit more spreadable for my guests. And I'm gonna top it with chili sauce, lots of fresh crab meat, and a sprinkling of parsley, and it's gonna be fabulous. So it's party day, and I'm surrounded by all kinds of treats, so don't mind the mess behind me. But my cream cheese layer refrigerated overnight, and I pulled it out about an hour ago so that it comes a little bit more room temperature, so it's easier for my guests to spread. So next we're gonna top it with 1/2 jar of chili sauce, and this is a 16-ounce can of crab meat, and you use about half of it, which is awesome because then I can make crab cakes for my family later in the week. So we'll start with the chili sauce. We'll just kind of drizzle that all over the top at some point here. So I'm just gonna spread that out evenly over top. Next, we'll sprinkle about 6 or 8 ounces of crab meat over top. It's better to get this kind of more finely minced crab meat as opposed to the really jumbo pieces, because then everybody gets a little bit in each bite. It's sort of evenly dispersed over the whole top. Ooh, that smells fresh. Yum. As a finishing touch, I'm just gonna sprinkle some finely chopped parsley over top. And this makes it look super festive too. We've got the red and white and green for my Christmas party. That just gives a little extra freshness too. And we got our crab dip. I like to serve this with stone ground wheat thin crackers or like a club style cracker. It is so fantastic. You're gonna love it this holiday season. Make sure you check out Cheyenne's appetizer video. I'll link that in the description box below. And if you're visiting from her channel, welcome and please subscribe. And I'll see everyone again soon with another family recipe.
For the full recipe, check the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for joining me in my kitchen.